Hello, today we're going to talk about fixing the brake or turn signal lights on your trailer. Could be from the truck side on the connector, or it could be the plug side on the trailer. Spray the plug and the connector on the truck side. Try using an electronic cleaner and spray both sides. You want to spray the truck side. You want to let that dry. Then you're going to spray the plug side of the trailer. And let that dry. I'm going to wait before it's dry, before you test it and power it back up. But cleaning the plug and the truck connector with some electronic cleaner could save your day and help you out, get you running again, having brake lights or turn signal. Usually the problems with the ground. You can check out my other video how I fixed a ground problem on my trailer. Hope this tip helps you out. Thanks for watching.